Hey, it's Charlie from Nevermind. If you want to monetize your low-code logic in BuildShip, you'll need to secure it first. Today, I'll show you a wonderful way to secure a BuildShip workflow in just 5 steps using the Nevermind Trigger. Let's dive in. First, the master key. Head over to the Nevermind dashboard, navigate to the API Keys section and generate a new key. By default, permissions and expiration are set for maximum flexibility, which is ideal for starting. You can adjust the expiration or narrow the permissions if you are an advanced user, but leaving them as is works for most workflows. Copy this key securely. Next, we go to BuildShip. In Settings Integrations, search for Nevermind. Add the integration, provide a clear key name, for example, MVM API Key, and paste the API key you just copied. This establishes a secure link. Now it's time to create your main workflow. As the starting node, click on Add Trigger and search for the Nevermind trigger on the list. In its configuration, define the method like post and the path, for example, /query. As soon as you set the path, BuildShip displays the full public URL for this endpoint right here on the side. This is the address clients will call. Copy that full URL. Before we create the plan, if you haven't already, go to your Nevermind dashboard's main page, click on Connect the Stripe button, and follow the steps inside the Stripe's registration process. This is essential for accepting payments in USDs. Now let's create the plan. Go to Plans and click New Pricing Plan. We need to define the access and pricing. Choose Type of Plan, Paid for recurring purchase, or Trial for a one-time free subscription. And the Limit Access by, choose Credits for per request pricing or Time for time-based access. Set the price and select USD as a currency to enable Stripe payments. Define the number of credits this bundle offers and credits per request. The system will calculate the cost per request. If you need dynamic pricing, toggle 1 to set the price range per request, to define minimum and maximum credit consumption. Give the plan a name and save it. Next, go to Agents and click Register Agent. Now, for the technical part, under Protected Endpoints, select the correct HTTP verb, for example post, and paste the full public URL you copied from BuildShip. Click Add. Now, fill out the agent name and description. Once complete, click Register Agent. The system will take you to the agent's detail page. Click Link Plans, select the payment plan you just created and hit Save. Now, return to your BuildShip workflow. In the Nevermind trigger, select your newly created Nevermind API Key from the Key Name dropdown. Then, in the agent name selector, your agent should now appear. Select it. This automatically configures the agent ID and plan ID. The trigger is also set up to automatically pull the user's input, usually found in a field name prompt in the request body. Connect the output of your Nevermind trigger, specifically the input field containing the user's prompt, to your next node, where your actual business logic or LLM call resides. The trigger handles all the authorization and redemption logic, giving your workflow a secure input. And that's it! From now on, only requests with a valid access token in the authorization header will be allowed through. You've turned your workflow into a professional, monetized API in minutes. Thanks for watching.